In this interview on GB News, Lib Dem leader Davey finds it difficult to say what a woman is. Before we get into the interview, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss when we upload a new video.
It's the first time we've spoken to you since that Supreme Court ruling. Do you know what a woman is now?
I absolutely do. You know, as the Supreme Court has said, in law, a trans woman is a woman, except in respect of the Equality Act. And the Equality Act is clear, and I totally respect the Supreme Court's ruling. I accepted it on the very morning it came out.
So what is a woman? I mean, are you saying that in certain circumstances it can be a trans woman?
Well, I'm saying what the Supreme Court said. I mean, I believe in the rule of law, and I believe backing the Supreme Court is essential. I know in some parts of the right wing, they don't like the rule of law, and Donald Trump treads over courts. Liberal Democrats don't. We support them. And, you know, they're very clear. You look at paragraph 24 of their judgment. Under the Gender Recognition Act, a trans woman is a woman, but in respect of the law, in respect of the Equality Act, that doesn't apply, where the gender is and sex is based purely on biological sex.
Well, GB News viewers think it's a simple decision. I mean, a woman is a woman and a man has a penis. Isn't it that straightforward?
Well, I'm telling you what the Supreme Court says. That's the rule of the law. Well, let me give you an example of how confusing this can be. Now, a trans man can't go into a gents' toilet. A trans man, according to this ruling, has to go where their biological sex is. So a trans man has to go into a women's toilet, and that may be that trans man might have had a surgical procedure, might actually have a penis. So you can see how complicated it is. A lot of people want to talk about how simple it is. It isn't. It's a bit more complicated, as indeed the ruling shows. I've read the 88-page ruling. I want to tell you what I think we should happen now, because people want to know what practicalities are, and that's the issue. We're going to need guidelines and a debate about how we take this forward. There are a lot of unanswered questions. How does it work in practice? How is it enforced? These are real questions. And what Liberal Democrats are saying, there should be debate in Parliament.
When a political leader finds it difficult to describe what a woman is, it is time for him or her to be voted out of office. It is time to end this wokeness and get back to common sense, where we can all work together and build a stronger, safer, and prosperous nation. If you have benefited in any way from this video, please subscribe, like, share, and be sure to leave us a comment.